Think this is a real person? Nope, Veo 3 made him for free. In this video, I'll show you how to get Veo 3 free too.
Open Google Chrome and type Flow. Open the first website. Click Create with Flow. Then click Next and scroll down and hit Continue. Click Subscribe. Then click on Get Free Google AI. So basically, it's free for the first month, but make sure to cancel your subscription before it ends. And just for educational purposes, you can create multiple accounts. Just fill the details. It won't cut a single dollar. As you see, I have 1,000 credits. And now type Google Video Editor. Click on the first link that appears, then sign in with the same email. Now click on this. It's all done now. Let's create something live, right? Make a beautiful girl running on water and hit Create. Now wait a minute, and now it's finally done. You can watch it or even download.
Enjoy and drop a comment so I know you got access. Goodbye.